Hey there, fellow money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send money from PayPal to Venmo in 2025. With the ever-changing world of digital payments, we've got you covered with step-by-step guidance, inspired by tips from the Reddit community. Whether you're splitting rent with roommates or sending cash to a friend, this method is straightforward and efficient. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. PayPal and Venmo don't have a direct transfer option yet, even in 2025. But don't worry, you can easily move money through your bank account. Start by logging into your PayPal app or website. Navigate to your wallet, select the amount you want to withdraw, and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Hit confirm, and the funds should hit your bank in 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. Once the money is in your bank, fire up the Venmo app. Go to your account settings, select Add Money, and link the same bank account. Enter the amount you want to transfer into Venmo, and voila, your funds are ready to go. For a faster route, if you have a PayPal debit card, you can use it to add money directly to Venmo by selecting the Bank or Debit Card option in Venmo's settings. Reddit users often recommend this for quicker transactions, but always double-check for any fees. Now, a few pro tips for 2025. Watch out for potential transfer fees from your bank or PayPal, which could add up, so compare rates first. Also, ensure your accounts are secure by using two-factor authentication and monitoring for any unauthorized activity. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider the tax implications or any new regulations that might pop up in 2025. Check Reddit threads for the latest buzz. There you have it, folks. Sending money from PayPal to Venmo is simpler than you think. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.